So guys, this is a hook on which I used to hang my headphones, but one day my headphones just fell down, so I have to change that. Here I have two more, and I'm just thinking from them which one to fix. Finally, I decided to fix the pink one. I really love pink color, and also the quote written on it, "Free Spirit," just touched my soul.
I said I hate you, I was angry. I got so mad I slammed your door. You know I really love you, baby. I didn't mean to start a war. And I know there's a line, but I crossed it. And I pray that it won't leave a scar. I said I hate you, but I'm sorry. Sometimes I wish you cut me off. Maybe I should think before I talk. I get emotional, the words come out all